TMP?
The current market price.
And what is the EPS?
The earnings per share.
Correct. So this is the formula for PE. Now this I'm going to explain it to you in a video. You might understand it better. So give me a minute. Okay. So now how are you going to rate the stock, whether to buy, sell, hold? Is it a good company? Is it a bad company? How you'll do that? Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Write down 3 companies. Take all these parameters. Put it on, first you put the parameters on screener.in. All these parameters.
Yeah.
Calculation is known as earnings per share, or EPS. Because Company A has 50,000 outstanding shares and $100,000 in earnings,
So that's
each share has a
2.
claim on an EPS of $2.
Correct?
Now that we have Company A's EPS,
Yeah.
we can